The bottle of barium nitrate in our stockroom contains the following warning label. Danger, poisonous. The antidote is to give 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt in a glass of warm water. Repeat until vomit is no longer milky. Attempt to give a thorough explanation of the logic behind this antidote procedure. That is, why give Epsom salts and repeat until the vomit is clear? So we're going to look at the chemistry behind this. So the hint says the barium ions are the toxic part of the barium nitrate. Toxic part of the barium nitrate. So what's happening here is you've got barium ions in solution, and we want to get them out of solution. We want to get them out of circulation. And the only way to get them out of circulation in your body is to bind the barium salt, the barium ion, to another ion. So we'll do that by mixing salts. We can start this procedure by writing our balanced chemical reactions, our balanced chemical equation. So we start with barium nitrate, and we know that this is aqueous because that's what's making it poisonous, because it's got barium ions in solution. We can check barium nitrate soluble plus Epsom salts. Epsom salts are magnesium sulfate. And if we check our chart, magnesium sulfate is soluble. So the effective part, or what the interesting part about this is what the products are. So to make products, you switch the configuration of metal and nonmetal. So we'll do barium sulfate. Barium has 2+, sulfate -2, and magnesium nitrate. And we need to check our solubility. So we'll check barium sulfate, and you'll see here it's insoluble. That makes a solid. And our magnesium nitrate is going to be soluble, so aqueous. So when you mix Epsom salts in with barium ions, and it's barium nitrate here, but with the barium ions, the sulfate will precipitate with the barium ions to make a solid. And that gets the barium ions out of circulation. Now they're barium sulfate, and this is something that you can vomit. So the insoluble salts salt is white or milky, because when a salt is in a liquid, it'll be kind of suspended in there, so it'll look a little milky. And because of that, it'll look like milk. And so if you keep vomiting until it's clear, we'll make sure you're getting all of this solid out of solution. No more barium sulfate in your body, in your stomach. So once you vomit it up and you start vomiting clear, that means there's no more barium sulfate in your stomach, which means you're getting rid of all of the toxic barium ions from within your stomach. And that is the logic behind this antidote.